Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add SSL certificate in Godaddy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Godaddy, just click on the create an account option. And from here, you can continue with your Facebook, with your Google, with your business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're all set. Now, for those who are new here in Godaddy, basically an SSL or Secure Sockets Layer certificate is the standard secure technology for establishing an encrypted link between network computers, because the SSL is a digital document that ties the identity of a website to a key pair, which includes a public key and a private key. Now basically, if you're still following, the public key allows a web browser to start an encrypted communication session with a web browser via the TLS or the transport layer security, and the HTTPS, which is going to be the hypertext transfer protocol secure or protocols. Now, the private key is kept secure on the server and is used to digitally sign web pages. Now, to put it simply, an SSL tells your customers that it's safe to browse and shop and enter their secure information on your site. That means if your website doesn't have an SSL or without an SSL, here's gonna be what it's look like, all right? It's not secure, your connection is not private, and these are the 4 warnings that you can get it from here. Now, obviously, an SSL certificate can impact your website's SEO, which is the search engine optimization. Sites without an SSL installed and deemed will be tagged as a lower trust websites and will be penalized on search rankings. Now, you need to give your viewers confidence and keep your site secure with an SSL. Now, the first step that we are going to do is, now we need to request your CSR or the certificate signing request, because that's going to be the first step to set it up, and we will be requesting that to the Godaddy, which is going to be our hosting provider. Please take note, if you're installing your SSL to the primary domain or of a Godaddy hosting account, your CSR is generated automatically. And of course, when generating a CSR, you'll need to provide specific details, all right? And additionally, we recommend ensuring that any self-signed or out-of-date SSL certificates are removed from your server before proceeding, because that's going to be some of the things that you need to provide, which is your common name. That's going to be the fully qualified domain name or URL you want to secure, the organization, the legally registered name of your business. If you're enrolling an individual, enter the certificate requester's name, and obviously the city or locality where you are located or the business is registered, and the state, province, name of the state or province where your organization is located, and the country. Of course, generating your CSR. And after doing that, the next step that we are going to do is go here. Now, once you are here, go to your Godaddy product page, and from here select manage all next to the SSL certificate. Click on manage all. Now, after that, select your certificate for the SSL credit you want to use, and make sure you have the CSR handy for this portion of the setup. Now, on the certificate setup page, select input a CSR and paste your CSR into the box and select continue to open the approved domain control page, and you need to leave everything as it is and select continue. On the additional option page, select the certificate issuer you want to use, and the only thing that changes is who the certificate is issued by, because your certificate will be function to the same regardless of what you use. And after that, read the subscriber agreement, select the checkbox that you agree to the terms and conditions, and select continue. All right. Now, if you encounter any issues about adding SSL to your website, or you feel like this is a technical process, just go here at the Godaddy Help Center, and these are the channels that you can reach them. You can chat, now, or you can use WhatsApp, and these are the phone numbers. It's 24/7 support. And from here, the support center will be more than glad to assist you and guide you to add a SSL certificate in your GoDaddy account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.